Here's a pair of these Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in the pairing mode. So let me take out the earbuds. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 okay? I get a solid blue light and mine turns off. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you do that is you see the Soundcore logo up here. What you want to do is press and hold it and wait like 5 seconds until both the lights here starts blinking blue. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to put my thumb on that logo. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. And just hold it. Just wait for like 5 seconds or so. There we go. Blue, blue. Now it is in pairing mode. So now we're going to shoot over to our Android phone here. Go directly to your Bluetooth settings. So we're going to go to settings. And on this phone here, we're going to go to connections. And then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, toggled on. Okay, so let's tap on Bluetooth. Now that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here under available devices. And it did find the Soundcore V20i. They're still in pairing mode. It did find it. Let's tap on that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request. Oh wow, it said it couldn't connect, no problem. Let's just try it again. Okay, there you go, pairing request. Let's tap on pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.